Hi, welcome. This is a tutorial for Sauk Rapids Rice Middle School staff on how to access and use our Homework Action Research Wiki. I think once you get in here, you'll find that the features are pretty user-friendly, and hopefully this tutorial will help you get started if that's the case. So you'll notice I started right at our main page, and right now, even without logging in, I can access pages. I can click on different pages. I can go to the sample page, for example, and see all the different things that have been added. But if I want to log in and make some changes, make some contributions, then what I need to do is click on this button up here where it says sign in. Now right now my username will look a little different than maybe some of yours, but that's just because I had an account beforehand. So Laura didn't bother to make the typical one, the SMS, and then our 5-3. So obviously you'll put in your own username and your own password, and then you can click sign in. And actually not a whole lot changes when you first sign in. You notice everything still looks pretty much the same. But you do have a few more options up here. You can see a list of your wikis. It'll show your username. And this is an important button right here. This will switch on and off your wiki controls. So for example, when I click on it, you can see that an edit button shows up now. The discussion button is visible. I could see the revision history if I even wanted to. And if I click it again, it disappears. So it just toggles it on and off. So for example, if I want to do some basic editing, I can click on Edit. And then it'll look very much like a Microsoft Word or a Google Docs account where I have lots of menu options up here and all the space in the world down here to do my edits. So I'm going to just mess around a little bit. I'm going to push things down just a tad. And maybe the first thing I want to do is just type a little bit. So I might type a sentence. This is a sample sentence. How original. And so if you wanted to do a few things with it, maybe make your text look a little different, you could obviously hit bold or italicized or underline. You can do a few other things. You can make a numbered list. If you want that to be part of a numbered list or a bulleted list, you can do that too. You could change it and give it more of a heading look to it. So I could choose heading 1 and make this a big bold heading, or I could choose more of a normal one, or I could just choose to not have one at all. And of course then another nice option is this one right here, style text, or text styles. And it gives you lots of different choices. I could choose a font. Perhaps I want Arial or Georgia. And I can change the size of my font. I can increase it. I can change the color of the font. I can even give a background color to the font. I can change the alignment, make it centered or right justified, left justified. And I even could do superscript or subscript if I was so inclined to do so. Then if you hit apply styles, it'll make those changes. And now I have a lovely sentence. I could always go back and undo any of these things too, by the way, by hitting the undo button. So if I didn't like that, color change, I could do that. Also, if when in doubt, you can go in here and clear styles, and that will remove all of the style choices too and get you right back to 0. And at any point, if I want to, I can hit save, and it'll take just a second or two to save, and then it'll pop me back to the standard version right here, and you can see. So that's the first basic tutorial, and hopefully that'll be good enough to get you started in typing things into your wiki. If you wanted to tune into some other tutorials, I'll show you how to install articles or also include attachments, embed video clips, for example. So good luck to you, and happy wikiing.